What's going on, y'all? So today is a little bit of a test, really. Just messing around with different setups. I decided to build a E92. So I decided to just rebuild this E92. I built it before with a V8 and everything. So in this video, I just wanted to do a different. I have a different type of build I want to make. So we still have the same end goals. A lot of the things that I've been doing recently with the weight distribution and just adjusting the power band. Yeah, I know I don't really like motors with the anti-lag, and this is gonna be one of the first builds without the anti-lag. So let's take a journey with me today. Finishing up this car. Right now we at 53.47 for the weight distribution, around 490 horsepower, 2,700 pounds, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna get heavier with when I put the panels back on. But for right now, this is what I got for the tune. I kind of want to raise the rear a little bit, um, and just kind of like how it drives for now. Really, I don't really want to change much there. But as I said, today's more so of a tune, a testing tune, and I am not even revving it all the way out. Normally I want my 2Js to rev higher, but I wanted to see if you keep it at a 78 and just build off of it. You know what I'm saying? So let's finish the build. I got the fenders I liked. I don't know. I could try to put that down there. What is this? The door back on. Bumper. The bumper is where it's gonna be hard, bro, because I really just wanna do like a fender addition. I really don't wanna do too much to the car. Put the hood on. We could do this one. And for the trunk, do that one. Forgot how extreme these get. Ooh. Seats. Let's see, put some headlights in there. Alright, so this is what I got so far. Two things. I want to get a better front bumper. Bro, this one is not horrible. One of these would kind of tie it all together. Or this one. Let's see how this one fits in. Little front lip. The rear spoiler is kind of killing me. Let's see. Yeah. So I might just do that. The rear bumper, we might just go with the one with a cut instead. mad at that. A little different. Kind of might raise the rear a little bit. Could just tuck the rears in a tad bit. Okay, so I think that's the build. So I think that's the build so far. I kind of want to do a couple championships with little to no restarts. So let's try to get that on the way. Let's try it out. For a car not having an anti-lag is very responsive. Alright, see if we could finish it off strong now. Alright, that wasn't the best. Let's tidy it up. Like what? That was way better. It doesn't reward being aggressive with the current Ackerman and everything how it's set up, but car drove good. Good. We ain't lose no points towards the end there. It was fairly fast. I wasn't even trying to make it a fast car. I was just trying to low horsepower, See how good we could make it. Alright, let's do the chase. It definitely don't got the sauce in the chase, to be honest, but should guarantee enough to get the win. Yeah, I got gap for sure. I ain't gonna lie. Here, I started to run out of gear. This fella short. That's where the run kind of went to shit, but let's keep going. Hmm. 82. Towards the end, I started to get a little bit of gap on me, but man, car works. I like it. It's not the most confident in the chase, but it could because the way I got the front end set up so different from my other cars. See if we get a better chase. For no anti-lag, this is like perfect with the response and everything. Like I'm not mad at the setup. It might not have like the horsepower I'm looking for, but it's there, bro. I went a little bit too deep on that end in there, but let's see if we get a closer in car. the power difference is definitely there for sure. But doesn't matter. We getting the dubs. He got me. Let's see where he got me at. The initiation though. Yeah, he pulled away from me right there. But I feel like I was trying to guess the songs. Yeah, I feel like that was good. So that one. I think the car could use revving a little bit higher though. I'm not gonna lie. This was one of my best chases. Maybe not the highest point wise, but I feel like I was there the entire time. Let's see that. Let's watch that one back. That was good. Right in the pocket. I feel the zone. Yep. Definitely one of my best chases for sure. I finished that one. So I'm gonna try to fit three championships in this video just to try to show y'all a little way how I get money also in this game. Like, to me, I'm more so focused on trying to get better at doing like chases, lead. So I pay attention to what I could do differently. I think this is one of the biggest difference compared to my other cars with how I got this set up, which is not bad. I'm gonna leave it for now, but I'm gonna add this and see if that aids in the chase. Some of the chases I was getting gapped. So the biggest thing is trying to get all the contracts as high as you could go, and then you just put on the best show you can to guarantee the win. And I feel like that's another thing too. I do the same one, try to keep everything the same. And if I'm changing something on the car, like, I could tell the difference. Yeah, this car drives good, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Even on no tire. I'm gonna try third gear this time. Ooh. I think we'll finish that. We already top qualifying. Oh, I left that zone a little early, but the second gears, I should be able to chase in just second now. That was good. I think we guaranteed the win there. Next. I might have just found my most favorite 2J build for sure. I got a little greedy. Yeah. Damn, bro. I just got a little greedy, just a little bit. Cause the last one, I kind of gave them too much space on the transition, and they dig me. So I was trying to stay close. Yeah, I'm in the pocket, Mo. Stop playing with him. Next. Oh no. I think I might have pressed restart by accident. Yeah, I did press restart by accident. My bad. Ooh. Third gear is a little too long. I got a little bit too aggressive towards the end. That wasn't quite necessary, but we just pumping through it. Let's get going. I knew that correction would have cost me. Whatever. I was sticking on his door. 100-point chase and call it a day. I tried to get the 100 points, but without a question. Let's keep going. I kind of got too confident. Throw to a little bit too much angle, but good. I was way offline. If I get this win, that would be crazy, but I was way offline for sure. Yeah. I was definitely way offline. But we got the win, so keep it pushing. I need just a little bit more to run third, bro. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more to run third. I think we could get it through the block. I do have a stage 3. Let's see, stage 3. We're at 500. So we make it 500. What's the weight distribution? 53. Okay, 500, 2700. Not bad. I think we're good. Let me repair it. We already repaired it. Let's go. Try it again. So at this time, I want to be able to use third a lot more, like off the run up in the lead, at least in the lead. I want to use third in the lead and see if we could kind of fix that bogging issue. could definitely use third now for sure. That was phenomenal. Get the win. Let's keep going. That was phenomenal. Let's go. Next. I don't know. For some reason, this AI bot is always hooked up, bro. I don't know, bro. He's just always hooked. This car in particular, it's always hooked up, no matter what you do. I don't care. He got it. He got a 98. I'm being too aggressive. Oh, I got it. Let's go. Thought I was being too aggressive. Damn. I did him dirty. First, I tried to drag him all the way to the end of the track. But here, I just sat on the left foot brake, trying to see what happens. And just about here, he started to lose pace. I was definitely doing like a 90 adhesion. Oh my god, that was bad. Sorry, sir. I did you dirty. But I gave you the chase of your life, though. I'm be a little more aggressive to end this one off. Nice little chase to end it off. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. I think we did hit about 100,000. Let's see. Yep. So we made 100,000, just 3 of those championships with all max contracts and all of that. This 2J was good. I'm not gonna lie. I might have take it out, and put it on the bench because it was that good. So stage 5 intake, everything else. These two stage 5 for the no anti-lag. I ran this because these two turbos have anti-lag, and I didn't want to deal with that, so I just gave it stage 2 cams, stage 5 cylinder head, stage 5 block to try to fix that weight distribution. No electronics, and then the lightest transmission, then the heaviest diff to try to give some grip to the rear. That's the suspension for front and rear, the tire compound it was on, and that's it. That's all I got for y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. I think this car, this 2J, building this one was very good, to be honest. If you want to run the no anti-lag, low horsepower comps and make 100,000 just by doing 3 max contracts, take advantage of it. Peace.